In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change track color in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to keep your timeline more organized and easier to read, changing the color of your tracks is a simple but very useful tool. It can help you quickly separate dialogue, music, sound effects, or different types of video layers at a glance. Once you start using track colors, your editing workspace can feel much cleaner and easier to manage, especially on larger projects. To begin, go to your tracks in the timeline. These are the horizontal rows where your audio or video clips are placed. Make sure you're looking at the track area clearly so you can select the exact track you want to customize. If needed, you can expand your timeline view a little so the track names and controls are easier to see. From there, right-click on the track you want to change. Be careful to right-click on the track header area rather than on an individual clip, because you want to modify the track itself, not just a single item placed on it. This is an important distinction, and it helps ensure that the color change applies to the whole track. After you right-click, look for the option that says Change Track Color. Click that option, and a list of available colors will appear. This menu gives you several choices, so pick the color that makes the most sense for the way you like to organize your project. For example, you might choose one color for music tracks and another for voice recordings, or assign different colors to different layers of video so you can recognize them more quickly. Once you choose a color, the track will update immediately. That means you can instantly see the change in your timeline and decide whether it works for your workflow. If you ever want to adjust it again, you can simply repeat the same process and select a different color. This is a very small change, but it can make a big difference when you're working on more complex edits. A color-coded timeline can save time, reduce confusion, and make navigation much faster while editing. And that's all it takes to change track color in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.